Let's create a Google script to create a file directory. The file directory will be a new Google Sheet that has the following columns: the file name, created date, last modified, and a link to the file. The first thing we'll need to do is grab the folder ID. In order to do that, go to the folder you desire, copy the folder ID, and place it between the two pockets here. Save it, click Run, and it will generate the new file folder. The first time you run it, it will have permissions that you have to authorize. Depending on the size of the folder, how long it will take to generate the Google Sheet. This one is pretty quick. Copy the link to the new file. And now you have a Google Sheet that lists the files in the folder.